All right, guys. It's your boy vicforex right here. Okay, what's good? What's happening? How was your week? Thank God it's Friday. Glad to have you all here. Listening that joined and that did not join. So I believe you all had a profitable week so far. So right here, I just started this newly, and it's a kind of like trade review. Like we're gonna be documenting, reviewing the trades we took for the week, how we played out, all for the sake of accountability. Just to keep a track record of how we are taking our trades and what we are doing. Okay, so right here is XAU USD. Right here is SAU USD. Sorry about that. I think there's music playing. Sorry about that. So right here, we can see how this week. Okay, so right here we can see this is on FAU USD for the week. So this week started off. I think it should be here. Yeah, I think Monday. Okay, Monday. All right, the week started off from here. Consolidated, pushed a little bit up. Okay, and on Wednesday we got an entry right here on gold, because I personally was looking towards taking this trade to this upside, because of trade price action, and whenever I see an imbalance such like this, I'm always interested on that trade. Okay, and yeah, because I believe price is gonna come back to fill the imbalance. Okay, and also take off some liquidity, before making any other further movement, right? Okay, so you can see how we got this. All right, so literally, I'm not gonna lie, first entry, but the price took me off. So, but I was still convinced with my bias, so that's why I took another entry, and give us a good risk to reward right here. So, going further, this is on Thursday, right? That's yesterday. Yesterday was a little bit funny. It was funny. You can see and mark this bar, because right here, this was during London section. Price immediately was pushing down, got to this level, took off this liquidity right here. I don't know if you're seeing my phone. Took off this liquidity right here. I saw that, and immediately, let me go to 30 minutes for you to see how this moved. So in the 30 minutes, price pushed up immediately till this 38.20, 38.11. But to be honest with you guys, this was very, 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 very funny of me. I did not close this trade. I thought it was going to, because my TPs was around here. So, and the main thing was that I was not actually with my device with me, not like with my device. I wasn't online, to close out. So price immediately started dropping. This is towards the pre-New York open. Immediately price dropped down and took everything, all my trades, took me off right here. So you can see that was how I let a running trade to turn into a loss. So that was how we lost here on Thursday, right here. So on which day was that? I think Okay, yes, still that same Thursday. Okay, yeah, during the New York session, yeah, was able to catch a few pips. Okay, before price started consolidating, I closed out around this level right here. So because I am aware of this demand level because I trade demand level and the supply, just mainly price action. So, so with that being said, this is Friday. You can see how prices have been consolidating here. So I wasn't much interested in this. So, but I think we had the major news today. Um, Major news today. I think Canadians, so or so, blah blah blah. I don't know what is it. So, I immediately the New York Open that was 8:30 a.m. EST. Price immediately rallied up. Push. I was like when price was getting to this level, I was curious to take this, but my eyes was actually on Nasdaq and US 30, so I took US 30 and Nasdaq. Letting this one to go immediately pushed up, immediately took off this liquidity, took off these people. This is what we call institutional candles. The big banks, they are interested with this liquidity right here. A lot of people has placed their stop loss or sell limit around here or buy stop because remember we are everybody their eyes is still targeting a lot of people eyes is targeting this level. So immediately price took off this liquidity, boom, it started dropping. Then now the New York section, is a little bit calm. You can see how price has been just uh rolling right here. So that is that on gold. So go over to GBP JPY has not been a very good week for me. My eyes has not been much on GBP JPY. You understand me? My eyes hasn't been on GBP JPY like that. But to be honest with you, to be very honest with you, GBP JPY, I was truly, like wanted to take. I think right here, I wanted to sell right here. Yeah, I wanted to sell right here, but price, pushed me out. Okay, but then I left it. Since then, I did not touch the GBP JPY. So I'm gonna write. Gonna check one more thing. I think GBP USD. I was trading this because of a GBP USD right here. Okay, GBP USD is just today, which is Friday, that I took this GBP USD because GBP USD used to make some kind of crazy movement. I want to go down to the 30 minutes. Okay, for me to show you guys the sell trade that I took. So right here is the sell trade I took. All right here, here. Okay, sorry, I think it was here today, which is Friday. So I actually took this. I saw the way price has been hitting this level, hitting this level, consolidating. So I saw that, and immediately I took, I took the trade right here. That's New York Open. Boom. So now you can see how I just, it's kind of like 1:2 or 1:1 is to reward trade. So yeah, but my eyes is still on this zone right here on GBP USD. So hopefully by next week we're going to be getting a very massive long position, after getting this zone right here, before price can, consider making any other movement. Okay, so I didn't take any trade, just one trade on GBP USD, which is today, Friday. All right. So okay. I think I'm gonna stop this song. I'm gonna stop this song right here. 1 minute. All right. So sorry about the song. So right here, we can see okay, this is Bitcoin. I'm not analyzing any Bitcoin. So this is DXY. So this is DXY, the dollar index, So we believe that when the dollar is dropping, we can see uh, the dollar, you can see the dollar pairs gaining strength right here. Okay, so from what I'm seeing, you can see there is imbalance right here. Price is targeting this, which means price when the dollar drops, you can see a bullish movement on the dollar uh pairs. Okay, on the US pairs. Okay, so right here, so this is what we're gonna be anticipating for the upcoming week. All right, and this is the JPY index. Boom. Very sweet trade, guys. So this week on Nasdaq is one of my best indices I trade. This not like one of my best, it's my best indices. Okay, I've been on Nasdaq for a long time. I think I took this trade. I did not mark it soon. You can see, guys. Literally, has been a very great week for me. So where did we start? I think I took this trade the Thursday. Wednesday was a little bit kind of. I took this trade. Yes, I took this trade right here. I removed it. So I took this trade right here, but I don't hold for long. Okay, I took this trade right here because what did I see? I saw immediately price broke this took off this liquidity, came back, and the next price opened here. So I knew that it was going to go up to fill this the wick. So I took that. You can see it. Whenever you see a candlestick like this, you know that it is a continuation candlestick. All right. So right here we can see it very very clearly. So price broke, took off this liquidity, immediately came back and tested this resistance forming a support. So that's why I took this trade right here. All right. So this was on Wednesday. I got a step up, and this right here is on Thursday too. Price came back to this demand level right here. So I had to just hop in real quick, just catch some people and get off right here. So today, right, the market has been consolidating, and you can see I also use the trend line on Nasdaq, to view what I am looking for. So I had to mark this to know the kind of position I'm looking for. Okay, just 1 minute. So I literally use this line to target the zone where I'm looking for. I literally used this line, so you can see this one is right here. Actually took this trade, okay? Because price has broken this strong resistance level, came here from a support, giving me this engulfing candlestick. This engulfing candlestick was what gave me a strong conviction, because originally we are in an uptrend, so I always trade with the trend. Whenever I see price, okay, my trend, I always do my best to follow the trend same way. All right, so this is how we caught this. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I did not hold up to this level it is going, but I believe price is going to hit this zone of 1800, okay, 18,000 before dropping. Okay, so before the market closes today, which is Friday, we're gonna see price drop right here. Okay, so I took I went out around this level. I think here, yeah, this was where I literally closed out. So because of that big spike up during that news for 8:30, okay, okay, here is US 30. US 30 is my new lover, guys. US 30 is my new lover, guys. You can't imagine because US 30 have been, you can see literally, I'm not gonna lie, this trade I actually took them. So this trade I actually took them. So see where you have started. Now you have started literally US 30 has been very, 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 previously when I started trading, I used to I used to get scared of US 30 because of how my account, my hard earned $100 I used to fund my account. US 30 blew my account for me one day. I was reading the news, everything just wiped off. I was not aware that the news was coming out and the news, phew. And I believe that was part of the journey because I had no much idea or knowledge about trading, so just playing around. So, but right now I'm beginning to understand zones, how the market was, what and what to look for. You can see I can actually literally explain to you guys, but I don't wanna, waste time in this video. I'm just going through what we took. This was last week, I think January. Okay, 31st is February. Okay, so what made me to take this trade right here? Okay, uh, you can see right here price drop. Whenever I see an imbalance, I believe and price started consolidating right here. So whenever price is oversold and you see price begin to consolidate in a support level after a big drop, okay, and you see an imbalance, I believe the price is coming back to fill that imbalance. So that's why I took this trade right here. So this was the trade February the 1st. So going over to this one right here, same idea, same concept. So this imbalance, US 30 is very, very volatile. So seeing that, and price came back to test this zone. You see this touch. So making this zone a very an important area of interest for me. So that's why I took this trade right here. I think I closed around here before it even reached this zone. So you can see price again breaking this resistance, came back here to form support. Okay, forming support immediately on Monday, which is Monday 5th. Price started dropping, dropped to this level. I think dropped to this level. Okay, thank if I use my Fibonacci, you can see right here. This is 76.2% or 79%, so which is a good entry. So, but I did not enter at this level because that's not how I take my setup, guys. So immediately price came back to test these previous zones. Remember, this is support. This was support, strong support. So price came back to test this zone, started consolidating. Again, I saw this imbalance right here. So immediately price got to this level. I saw this. You can see very clearly. This is a 1 hour time frame. I saw this bullish confirmation candlestick, which is a pin bar candlestick. So that gave me another conviction to take that trade right here. Okay, so then going further, you can see US 30 still very, very volatile. This is a Wednesday, which is on the 7th. Humility price broke out to completely feel this because when I took this trade, I saw that this is liquidity. I'm gonna show you guys. So I saw that this is liquidity here. This is money. Okay, and price is definitely coming to this zone to price is coming to this zone to grab off this liquidity, okay, right here. So that was why. So, but I did not wait. I just closed that. So price coming to this zone to close for me. And meanwhile, I'm also following my channel. Okay, you can see this channel. So whenever US30 is moving, it always creates something like channel. All right, it always creates something like channels that it follows. Okay, so and it really respects it, and it's not a matter of drawing channel. You have to get some experience before you can master how it works. But definitely it works. So on Wednesday, you can see how price pushed up, getting to this consolidated a little bit, dropped to this level, to a discount price. Okay, you can see it very clearly. If I go down to 30 minutes, this is a demand level for me. So when I saw that, immediately I still took this setup right here. Okay, I still took this setup right here, and I don't hold to 1:3 because but all the trades are 1:3 raised to the one. So but I like 1:2 on off, 1:2 on off. So I'm an intraday trader. So I just trade for a while, a few minutes, just 1 hour, 2 hours, and I'm off. Okay, so right here because of my environment. So you can see again right here. This was today, which is Friday. Friday. So this is not a losing trade. This was a winning trade. Okay. I saw price has already broken this resistance level, forming support for me. So when I saw that, I have already measured, I've already measured where price is getting to. All right, so I've already measured it with my with my measuring with my measuring tape. So I've already measured the length we are looking for. So I knew price was going to this kind of level. So that was why that news came out. I think card news or something like that. Immediately I took this buy and it was a huge win. So I closed out. So this place I marked this green line was where I closed out the trade. So this was how we took off the tape because I knew immediately the spike up we're gonna see a drop, and this is exactly what happened right here. So on this one I did not take it actually. I just placed this right here, to see how it's going. So I did not take this, but this was a buy for me right here. So next week we are still anticipating the long position because price has already formed liquidity. Price has already formed liquidity and price did not break this structure. And price did not break this structure. So we are still hoping to see some bullish movements, for the week. So right here. So that is that. I think that is the end for this week right here. So yeah, I'm just happy. I'm grateful for the journey. It's good to document these processes, and for accountability, so for others to also learn and also share their own experiences. I believe you can learn something from this. So, all right, I wish you guys a happy uh weekend. All right, enjoy, have fun, go out there, you know, spend more time with yourself, with your family, with your loved ones, because that's the most important thing. Get the point to refresh your mind for the new week. You must be intentional for this year. I believe this year is going to be the year we're gonna say, it's gonna be our year, a year of recovery, a year of blessings for us. Okay, so with that being said, I wish you a lovely and wonderful day. Okay, love you guys. Peace out.